Want to increase your bottom line by raising customer lifetime value through renewals, repeat purchases, comeback actions, upgrades, and other retention moves? Then you need to make sure you're doing retention right. Retention typically fails because brands reward the wrong moments, are inconsistent, aren't personable, or make loyalty feel transactional. The better move is simple. Reward the actions that actually increase lifetime value. Renewals, repeat purchases, milestone engagement, reactivations, and upgrades. Promotion Vault lets you trigger branded digital rewards at exactly these moments. It then guides customers through a reward experience that is branded, secure, and easy to use. Meanwhile, you protect spend with pay-on-activation pricing, increase follow-through with automated reminders, and track exactly which campaigns are driving retention with clear, defensible reporting. Over 4,700 companies across industries like apps, insurance, automotive, retail, and fitness trust Promotion Vault for their rewards fulfillment. On average, Promotion Vault users see a 20% lift in bottom line revenue. If you want more accountable spend, more measurable actions, stronger customer loyalty, and increased LTV, book a 30-minute demo call with us and we'll map out a quick retention program pilot to prove ROI based on your company and goals. It's free to get started and there are no monthly fees. Plus, with pay-on-activation pricing, a simple 10% service fee on sent rewards while only paying full reward price for claimed rewards, you can do a lot more with a lot less. So book a demo today.